7 years ago, I bought a pair of these purple Panda Lavs. Back then, I was looking for something cheap but effective, and I mostly wired everything anyway. Then consumer wireless mics became a thing, and these sat in my gearbox until recently when I did a job where I couldn't use those wireless mics. The interference was so much that they were completely unreliable, so I wired all the talent with these purple Pandas. The results were so good that nobody noticed after a little editing. So I'm going to use them on a couple of voiceovers on some outside projects that I'm working on. Saturday morning at the cottage, I'm making my favorite out-the-door wrap. Farmer sausage, bell peppers, onions, and a little patience. Think of all this as sort of like an opening act, warming up for that main show. Here's the start. Do me a favor, don't mix, don't beat, don't scramble, fold, fold, fold. Trust me, the random texture in every bite is worth it. You don't need to use a cast iron pan for this. Whatever you have, hex-clad, all-clad stainless steel, do it your way. Just keep the heat to about medium. So, fun fact. My wife bought me this cast iron skillet after about our second date, I think it was. So, I either made a good impression on her, or she wanted to call me on whether or not I can really cook. And when you get about 95% of the way done, take it off the heat entirely. Drop in whatever you want. Cheese, green onions, tomatoes, and then all you've got to do is grab a warm tortilla and roll yourself some flavor to go.